Welcome to Crypto News. I am your host Jordan. Nothing in this video is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. It's time for a daily markets check-in. Where is the crypto market standing right here as we go into New Year's Day? Guys, basically the start of 2026. And what does the market hold for us here in the future? As we can see today, Bitcoin is 88.8k, and I was just watching this chart of BTC. And by the way, we just spiked up these last few hours that I was watching. So I'm watching it on the hourly, guys, and each one of these candles represents 1 hour on the hourly chart. So we talked about the other day when we spiked up to here and we hit 90k, guys. Well, as you can see, we spiked up again, we hit 89, and now we're rising back up today. And today we did actually cross 89 just a few minutes ago, as you can see right here on this hour candle. So we've just hit 89.1. So can we keep rallying up today, get back up to 90, and then hopefully after we could break out for Bitcoin to the upside? This would be fantastic to see. The market is opening today. Right now it's currently 10 minutes time, and the market will be booming, and hopefully we'll see this drag Bitcoin higher. In regards to the rest of the market, we're going to see how everything is reacting today to the dollar and to the silver, wild silver rally and gold rally we have seen, and how this affects the crypto market and of course, guys, your portfolios. If you haven't already seen this brand new project, which is called Bitcoin Hyper, this is actually a Bitcoin layer 2 chain. So if you're interested in these kinds of innovative Bitcoin ecosystem plays and projects, then you can check this out. The link is down below, guys. The interesting thing about this is they have raised 29.96 now million US dollars, nearly 30 million. It's insane, wild and crazy how they managed to raise that in this short space of time. Also, they have trusts and safety audits by multiple security auditing companies here, and they're featured on all of these prominent news sources in crypto like Cointelegraph, CoinMarketCap, Crypto News. All of them have featured it, guys, and it's all about scaling on the Bitcoin blockchain. They have ZK rollups, right, for the privacy and security. And then they have Optimism and Lightning Network and so forth. So if you want to check this out, the links is down below in the video description. Now, if you do not have a no KYC private Bitcoin and cryptocurrency wallet, then this wallet called Best Wallet is a mobile wallet app. You can download this anywhere. So anyone globally can actually use this with no restrictions. And you can use this app to create, guys, a altcoin or a meme coin portfolio. So this is one of the best ways to participate in early, new and upcoming projects. The link is down below. And remember, they are audited by Certic, the best company in crypto for security. And also, right, never have all your eggs in one basket. So never have all, of your crypto on only one wallet or just one exchange. Always be diversified to multiple wallets and multiple exchanges to be safe and protect yourself, guys. And if you love crypto trading, and if you want to trade futures, this platform, which is called Crypto Future Coin Futures, is actually giving you 1000x leverage, which you can't get on other platforms. So they give you up to 1000x, guys. And the best thing about it is that there's no KYC. So with this one, anyone can use it and you can cash out anytime. So check it out. The link is down below. So we're watching the dollar today do these crazy moves, these wild swings up and then down. But today it's gaining a little bit of strength. And what is happening is, of course, the Japanese yen and the Japan market is still continuing to weaken, guys. And we did have the Fed FOMC minutes come out, and they were a little bit more hawkish, than usual. What that means is protecting the dollar's value. So they probably saw the dollar coming down, and Jerome and the other members of the Fed came out and gave some hawkish comments, guys. And that has been publicly released now. This was, of course, from their previous meeting, and what it's done is, as you can see, it's caused the dollar to have quite a lot of strength. So the dollar has started rallying up now, and if we zoom out on the day chart, what we can see is it's kind of looking like it's slowly starting to drift up even on the daily, right? Because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles now taking this upwards. Keep an eye on this, because this is, of course, not the best for risk assets. We have seen gold going down at that exact same time, and silver also going down. They're both having corrections. They've both hit new all-time highs recently. Everyone is only talking about silver right now and gold. And of course, I was the first one. I was telling you about silver years and years ago, guys. And on all of my videos, again and again, I kept talking about the importance of hedging your portfolio risk by always having some silver and gold. But all of you, now most people are only just talking about it. But again, we are going to be following this all the way up, and this still could be in the early rounds of the commodities bull market. And there is a gold or a silver catch-up trade to Bitcoin is what everyone's talking about next. So of course, where gold and silver have been rallying, people are saying there is room next for Bitcoin to, of course, catch up afterwards. If we look at Bitcoin, because today we're just focusing on the main assets. So this is, of course, a focus on gold, silver, Bitcoin, and the dollar. We do have the top 5 US indexes, guys, pretty much opening flat today, as you can see up here. So they're just about to open flat. But yeah, again, if we look at Bitcoin's correction, it came down here and it is still holding these higher, ultimately this higher low on the long-term Bitcoin bull market. If this starts going up, we're going to have crypto companies wanting to advertise. We're going to have new projects launching. We're going to have big deals happening in the crypto market, and we're going to have, you know, huge bullish crypto announcements, maybe from the US government talking about and more government announcements talking about they have accumulated Bitcoin and created Bitcoin treasury reserves. We're still waiting for all this, but at the moment we're at this dodgy level in the middle where we don't know if it could be a start of a bear market yet or not, guys. So stick around, because of course on this channel we are always early in delivering to you the information first. But if we take this information line and take it to the top, we can see Bitcoin's from where it is now to get to the top, which is $126,000, the all-time high for Bitcoin. That is a 40% profit right now. So a long-term simple swing macro trade setup idea here is to simply go long on Bitcoin if you believe Bitcoin can go back to the top of its range, which would be its all-time high, will present to you 41% profit. So you could be turning $10,000 into $14,000 in that time, right? Or $1,000 into $1,400. And if you scale up the numbers, it gets bigger and bigger and so forth. Now, as that and if that happens, so if Bitcoin does get to the top of its range, we are going to be looking at, of course, the juicy play, which is going to be, of course, Ethereum and the top altcoins in the crypto industry right now that are the most strongest, that have been rallying even as the whole market has been going down, guys, is the privacy coins. We have been looking at closely at Monero and Zcash, and as you can see, these are still right at the top. So these are holding very strong chart patterns, bullish chart pattern setups, when nearly every other altcoin in the industry is down and continuing to only go down. These ones are holding strong, and that is a sign and a taste of the gains to come. If Bitcoin does go up, just take Zcash for example. With Zcash, guys, we are looking at 46% to get back to its all-time high, and then it could probably do a 2x, a 3x, a 4x on top of that from here, right? Then Monero is already at the top of its range, but it's similar with Monero. We could see these do hundreds of percent gains if Bitcoin goes up. These are going to be the coins we are focusing on. If Bitcoin goes all the way up there, then Monero could break out of its multi-year long pattern. So keep an eye on that and follow us on the channel as we keep you up to date and give you the latest, hottest alpha in the market. And we're going to go into some other coins in the next video. So guys, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notifications every day on this channel here to get the latest news and alpha in the crypto markets. And guys, we'll see you in the next videos.